Hey, my name's John Lee. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager for CRV. We are a genetics company here in New Zealand. We do a range of products through herd testing, genetics, genomics, DNA, and we also have an animal information system. So we provide the New Zealand dairy industry. So what do we engage SalesStar? We engage sales. We have a sales team of just around 30 odd salespeople in the field. We engage SalesStar because in our business we have constraints around the ability to have a training team, I guess you could say, in-house training team. And we felt that SalesStar had a great deal of online content that we could take advantage of. Also, our experience in the past of training our people was that when we send them to like a 2 or 3 day workshop, they take a bit of those learnings and they apply it for a month or two. But what we like with SalesStar is that they, on a weekly basis, they can be using content with their regional managers, of which we have 3 across the country, and they can learn on the job. So how did SalesStar help? So fortnightly we have a coach and a chap, Steve Hewson. He dials in with my regional managers and effectively reviews what the last 2 weeks sort of trainings have been with their people, and then works with them on how they're going to approach the next 2 weeks worth of trainings. And I guess also too, it's coaching them on how to take advantage of the online content. The impact on the business, we've been doing this now for 12 months, is that we're starting to embed disciplines into our people. If you look at who our people are, we've got some people that are very passionate about the product that we sell. We've got some people with very strong relationships with our farmers. But something that I guess that we needed to improve on was our ability to take advantage of opportunities and close deals, grow our market share. And so with SalesStar, for us, it was about making sure that we could start to get those disciplines in place that are required in order to get the business across the line. And so that was for us why we got involved in it. So what would I say to anybody that's thinking of using SalesStar? I'd say that if you're a small to medium business, these guys are great. They step into your business when you're distracted on a range of other things, as you are in a small to medium business. These guys will bring the discipline in, and they will give you direction. They'll challenge you on the metrics that you should be measuring around your selling, and they'll focus you in on that.